So I saw a few message boards about people with 2017 Gen 2 Volts and a rattle coming from the inside back hatchback under the panel. I removed the back panel to the hatch, which is pretty easy. Not going to go through that. You can see another video that shows you how to do that. Takes about 2 minutes. The problem is these little filaments here. I think I don't know what the hell they are. They go to the electrical connection for the defogger, whatever it is, I don't know. But anyway, it's got these two little metal elements. See there? They're like little flaps, long tabs, and they just run along the glass. There's one there, and there's one on the opposite side in here. You can see I taped them. I just taped them to the glass with electrical tape to get them to stop rattling. But every time I bounced on this, it made a rattling sound that drove me insane, and I saw a number of other people had the same problem. But that's what it was. So hopefully, if you have the same problem, this helps you fix it. Thanks.